Muhammad Fakharuddin, Ali Ahmad and Shahid Ali jointly manufactured the only low-cost and the smallest thresher machine in the market. The sibling trio hails from Kwakta, Khuman, Bisnupur district. The machine can be operated with a small petrol machine and doesn't require much petrol. In the closing ceremony of the 13th NEC Tamchon Trophy held at Ambedkar Stadium, Delhi last night, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju expressed his gratitude to the organizer Tangkhul Naga Society for organizing one of the biggest sports tournaments in the country. Women folk of Sagolman staged torch rally along Sagolman area last night. The rally was in support of the Kokomi agitation against the backdrop of Indo-Naga peace talks. Golpara district, an aspirational district in Lower Assam, has received National Governance Now Digital Transformation Award for its Infrastructure Snapshot app. In the Governance Now Digital Transformation Summit and awards held in New Delhi recently, the award has won for two categories: digital services and mobile app. The verdict in the historic Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute has been pronounced by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi yesterday. The nation is now looking forward to 4 other important judgments to be delivered by Ranjan Gogoi before he demits office on November 17. One of those includes the high-profile case of procurement of Rafale fighter jets.